Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Matt with Audio Designs and Custom Graphics, and today we have a 2014 Tesla Model S that we installed two of our Phantom Fit subs into. We ran the amplifier in the front. It's a 1500 watt Audio Dynamics monoblock. Had that installed nice and simple there in the front. And then we'll come to the back and you'll see our Phantom Fit enclosures. These are custom enclosures that are designed, produced, and shipped straight here out of Jacksonville, Florida. And as you can see here, we did two 12s. There's the AudioMobile GTS 12 2 ohm, so it's wired down to 1 ohm, each sub getting about 750 watts. And here's the subs as shown here. They fit right into the pockets, so they really don't take up much of any real usable space when it comes to the trunk. Just the side pockets. I mean, this is a very great solution for saving space, not taking up, your entire back cargo area, and as well as getting a lot of good bass output. One more thing I wanted to show you guys too is we actually, with these Audio Dynamics amps, let's get music out of here real quick. The bass knob features a power light as well as a clipping indicator, which is awesome for when this flash is red, it indicates clipping, which is great because clipping is what can blow subs. So super cool to have that. It's very informative. It helps you save your subs. If you'd like to purchase the enclosures shown here in the video, you can do so at store.audiodesigncg.com. We'll post a link in the description below. We could also sell any of the additional units shown, such as like the amplifier and like power kit and whatnot. If you want to email us, or you can give us a call at 904-333-2322. We'd be more than happy to get you taken care of. Thanks for watching.